The next project. Change these. These are really old-fashioned, I think. And the owner, my friend, thinks it too. So the bike has this edgy forms, spit, don't know how you call it, and then you got those ugly blinkers, flashing lights. So he got these one, but they come off a Kawasaki. Yep, that's Kawasaki. And I'm not sure if they fit, but we're gonna see it. They got really short wires, so we have to extend them. So, oops, tiny screw out, then this one, then we got just a moment, this one, and now then there is a bolt in here, secret. Now this one comes off, and then this one comes off. We're gonna try them if they are working. So I got here my power supply. Let's see, it's now on 14.2. It's now at 13, which is good. Then with the knob is the plus, the positive one. This is the negative. These got two, a blue and a black yellow. I know from Kawasaki, black yellow is the negative, because LEDs are polarity sensitive. So now I think got those two, don't know how you call them. In my language they are called mother-in-laws, because they got sharp teeth. This one is the minus, and this one, let's see, yes, wow, it's a velding. Okay, so this one works. I can meep, 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 meep. Already found out black yellow is the negative. So let's see. Yep. Oh, fella dinges, eh? Wow. They are really bright, eh? Watch. Wink, wink. So, now. Now we're gonna get the blinker lights off. So let's see. It's a 10mm nut behind this. Can I? No. perhaps. First we're gonna extend these. You got two wires. Yeah, it's red and black. Don't have those colors or those colors. Waarom zijn naar deze proberen? These ones. Not sure if that works okay. But let's pop. Up. I keep the black one on the yellow black because that's the negative. Twist them together, again. Then let's see, then I need, I think, plier. So, then you have to heat them. More heat. Yes. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. This works great. Ah, netjes. Nice. Let's do the other side. So, make the same. See if I need a tiny bit. Just a try. Soldering paste. See if. Squeeze. Not sure if that's right. Don't mind. Here you go. Yes, there goes. Yeah, I like it. Wow. Vertint. What it, yeah, it's called vertint. Deze. These. Ah. Screwdriver. Now let's see. We're gonna try to mount these Kawasaki blinkers onto a Honda. What I did was this one I cut off by half, and now I drilled a hole in here 4.9 mil, and now I'm gonna make a thread in here, a thread of M6, so I can use a bolt instead of that stupid parker. So let's go. We're gonna first use the first a slide thread. this one. So, carefully go in. Every now and then out. Okay. Back in again. Second and the final one. That's it. Here we got a nice bolt. Yes. Oh, really nice. So, my bolts needed to be 30, so I cut them with my band sanding machine. I got the edges off, both, so they go good in and out. So let's see. Got my first LED light. I think it looks good. Got the bolt and the ring. And I'm gonna do a little bit of Loctite onto them, just a tiny bit. So, hop. Now let's see. Wait, hope it's not too long. Now, looks nice. I think. Then we have to wiggle the wire over here. Okay. Yep.